The car is finally home, but we have one problem. The battery is dead, and also the keys are inside, and all the doors are locked. So now we think how to get to the keys. The keys are on the dashboard, so now we should think how to open the doors. Now we're gonna try to open the doors from inside, because we have a small space. The glass is a little bit like down, so now we'll try to use what we'll use. Michael is preparing some tools, and we will try to open manually from inside. Have a handle inside. We're going to pull it up, and the door should open. Mike, fire! Are you going to stall this car? Come on, come on, come on! Da! To the right, to the right. Come on, bro, let's open it. Малишкин. Оп, 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 оп. Да, без минут. Я. Есть. Трай.
There are the keys. I hope. Open the other door.
Yeah, I'll open the door. Here is the handle I told you about. Now open this door for Michael. Open the hood, Michael. Open the hood and let's check the battery. Oh, the battery is 0032. This is very bad. We are going to buy a new one. Or first we're going to check, maybe they will be able to charge it. If not, we'll buy a new one. But now let's jump in. I have no buttons to start this car. Давай. You know how to start it?
No.
I have no idea. Yo, let's check one more time. Oh, actually we have a light. I hope. Looks more interesting right now. This is how the dashboard look like.
Pastor.
Looks like it's parking.
N-are.
We tried to jump it, give it a jump, but it still don't want to start. The battery is in very bad condition. So now we're going to take it out and go to Arabia to buy a new one. Now we are going to buy a new battery and we will be back very soon. We will be back. I'm good. Есть фертит? We just bought a new battery, it's time to go to check it. Let's go to test it, Mike. Dar e fix așa de mare ca așa, așa?
Da. Așa e?
Uite, două ori. Și dă-i.
Am cruz de astea și nu pot să-mi dau seama cum să leg normal.
Cum să legi? Plant.
Ia uite că hartă real eu pot.
Și zici?
Îmi bate și de...
Dar când cheia nu e aproape, nu trebuie să schid. Ia-mi ține.
Aici am două cruși, dar rău apăsați, dar rău apăsați.
Wow! Am dă-lea de gaz.
Da, sunt încălzatele. Ia-mi dă-le. Так, temperatură. Presiune, 40. Оборотele leacă joacă. Cred că de atât că e cald, mă gândesc. Dar i-am dat să-l glușim să controlăm masla, poate.